Hari, tara. Kurang kami, hari. Uy, hari. Dala mo ba? Dala pare. Ikaw, dala mo. Dala ko ng pera, pare. Pare, solid yan. Solid din yan. Malaki yan, ha? Malaki yan, pare. Pag meron pang pwedeng in-store, ha, pare, sabihin mo sa akin, ha? Sabihin mo sa akin kapag meron ka pang delivery, ha? Sige.
I'm supposed to be the soldier who never blows his composure, even though I hold the weight of the whole.
Pare. Dili, pare. Pare, bigyan mo 1% pag nabenta mo sa mga... O sige pare, malaki naman pera kung makukuha dito. Kasi pare, malaki discount mo rin sa inyo. O sige. Malaki mo makukuha mo sa mga. Dito lang ako lipat lang.
I'm supposed to show it, my crew ain't supposed to know it, even if it means going toe to toe with the Benzino.
Sige, ganit yun eh. Ang palo ka na ba? Oo, parang eh. Sabi, darating na yun, maya-maya. Sige mo, sige. Sila! Sige, Tol, pare, ayun na pala eh, oh. Inimitin natin, oh. Sige, ito sa anes.
With the Benzino, it don't matter. I never drag them in battles that I can handle unless I have to.
What are you, man? I've almost got late. Here's your supply. Where's the money? Pare. Maraming pambayad eh.
Supposed to set an example. To be the leader, my crew looks for me to guide him. Some shit up and just pop off. I'm supposed to be beside him. That job said I tried to squash it. It was too late to stop it. There's a certain line you just don't cross, and he crossed it. I heard him say Haley's name on the song, and I just lost it. It was crazy. This shit was wavy on some Jay-Z and Nas shit. You know the battle was won. I feel like we lost it. I spent so much energy on it.
Ano yan? Pare, tara. Kurang kami, pare.
I almost feel I'm the one who caused it. This ain't what I'm in hip-hop for. It's not why I got it. That was never my object for someone to get killed. Why would I want to destroy something I helped build? That wasn't my intention.
Pare, may papanting, pare. Ayun, atake na, pare. Nagsibat, nakapasok ko
My whole career without ever mentioning it. Now it's just out of respect. I'm not running my mouth. I'm talking about something that I knew nothing about. So I stepped out. This just wasn't my beef, so I did. I just fell back, watched and gritted my teeth while he's all over TV. Now I'm talking to man who really saved my life. Fuck it, I understand. This is business, and this shit just isn't none of my business. But still know when this shit can pop off at any minute.
Pare, sa sulang mag-ingat ka kasi pare. Ay, pare. Ayaw na ba? Ayaw na to. Pare, biyak na tayo ha. Ako nga pala si Yenyen. Ako yung isa sa Chinese dito at ako rin ang gumanap na isang construction worker. Ako nga pala si Kevin. Ako yung Chinoy dito. At ako yung gumanap ng isa sa construction worker. Si Mike. At akong purong pay dito. Gumanap din ako sa construction worker. Ako Mga pala sa rin. And I'm the just still mga pala si Barry. Okay, sa mga tracks. Ito.